that the secret of becoming stage 4, unconsciously competent at anything that you want to be, is understanding the conscious competence model may be something that can really help you lose weight and keep it off. So if you want to lose 12 to 30 pounds, and maybe you have, but you've struggled to stay in shape and you've yo-yoed over the years, and it's been a struggle for you to really make it a sustainable life change, then my hope is that this video may just help you. So the conscious competence model, right? It's explained as 4 stages of competence. So stage 1 is the unconscious incompetent. You know, you don't know what you don't know, right? This is the blissfully ignorant, and I love these people, right? I envy them sometimes, but personally I'd rather know, right? Stage 2 is conscious incompetence. You know what you know, but you don't know quite how to implement. Maybe it's a lack of information, or you're just struggling with actually taking action. So this is where judgment comes in, right? This is where frustration comes in. Now stage 3 is conscious competence. You know what you know what to do, and you're doing it pretty well, but there's usually still a level of frustration and judgment because you feel like you should be there already. You should have the results. You're putting a lot of effort in, but you're not quite there. It's still very difficult. It's a grind, right? Stage 4 is unconscious competence. You don't even have to think about it. It's unconscious. It's as easy as brushing your teeth. You've mastered the behavior or the skill, right? Now let me tell you, most people, including myself, never get to stage 4, especially in the areas that we really care to, that we really want to see success in. And in most areas of our life, we're either a 2 or a 3, right? Now, we all want to be a stage 4. We want it to be easy. We want the success, and we want to have it be kind of natural and easy, right? But focusing on why we're not there and why we're still at stage 3 is what keeps us stuck at stage 3. So that's the secret, and stick with me here. This is stuff that I've seen completely change the game for some people, including myself. What I've learned from myself, and really every client I've worked with, is that the secret of becoming stage 4, unconsciously competent at anything that you want to be, is to fall in love with being at stage 3. It's about falling in love with the process and challenging your judgments and your frustrations when you're not quite there and when they come up. It's about doing the boring work that you don't necessarily like at first, right? And you do your best to learn to enjoy it. That's the secret. That's how you get to stage 4. And once you get there, it's like, who cares if you don't get to stage 4? You're enjoying it. You're enjoying the process. Even if it's still taking a lot of work and it's not quite unconscious and it still takes a lot of mental energy, if you're enjoying it, eventually you will get there. And I believe this is the secret to being successful at anything, right? Business, whatever it is, relationships, whatever skill, whatever behavior you want to take on. That's how you do it. Okay, now here's the thing about this. You can't turn the judgment portion of your brain off in the moment. It's physically impossible. But you can challenge when it comes up. And over time, once you've built enough evidence that's showing you that you're moving in the right direction, you'll notice that those judgments, they start to change. They start to turn off, or they turn into something that is more useful, more helpful, right? It's knowledge, it's learning, which helps you shift and course correct. And that's really helpful, right? And you don't have the negative association tied to the judgment. Now, That takes a bit of work, and to fall in love with the process, especially when you don't enjoy it, when it feels like a grind, right? I hear it all the time. Like I've heard people say, like, I just hate working out, right? Or I just hate eating healthy. It's too much, it's too difficult, right? Whatever is in the way is the way. That's what you got to lean into, obviously, right? That's your answer, right? You got to learn how to love it. That's it. Nobody has achieved a lean muscular physique without loving fitness. Nobody has made $100 million without loving the game of business. So that's going to require a lot of awareness. It's going to require a lot of intention, probably an outside look in at yourself. If you got any questions about that or how I can help you with that, hit me up in a message. Leave any questions you got below. I promise I'll get back to you. All right. That's all I got for this one. On your side, Taylor.